David Clark. It's been a while, man. Things have definitely changed since the last time you and I saw each other. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited because you, just like me, are a professional. You really are, man. You're such a professional, and so am I. And I am so excited. 22nd of September, just a few weeks from now, you and I, one-on-one, are going to lock up at Pro Wrestling Phoenix. Oh, man. It's been a long time since you and I have wrestled. Things have changed so much. But Dave, I haven't forgotten. I haven't forgotten a thing. I haven't forgotten you dropping me on my head so many years ago. I haven't forgotten the neck injury I sustained. I haven't forgotten the pain and suffering you caused me. So I just want you to know, David Clark, that although I'm going to do my best to be as professional as possible, if you do one thing wrong, if you cross me even one time, I'll break your neck. Dave, I won't send you to the hospital. I'll send you to the morgue. And I'll do it with a smile on my face. Not because I hate you, Dave. It's really not. It's because I feel nothing at all. Nothing, Dave. So the 22nd, Dave. 22nd of September. You and I. Pro Wrestling Phoenix. I hope you're ready. Because, Dave, when you face a chainsaw, you got two options. You get cut up.
Or you get cut down. And either way,
I win.